How to find ByBit Wallet Address. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First of all, open ByBit app. Then what you want to do is click on deposit in the top left corner. Here, click on deposit crypto. Then here select the cryptocurrency that you would like to find your wallet address. For example, I will find my wallet address for Bitcoin. Now here, you can choose a chain type. So this is the network for Bitcoin. You can only use the BTC network on Bybit. So I will pick the BTC network. Then here you will get your wallet address and you can click on copy right there. And now you have copied your Bitcoin wallet address. And you need to make sure that on other wallet that you are sending from you, of course choose the same coin and the same network. There is a minimum deposit amount. So make sure that you deposit more than the minimum amount. Now here you have your wallet address and you can just paste it on the other wallet. And then you can deposit your crypto on Bybit. So that's how to find your Bybit wallet address. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.